Hey Miami, have you ever wondered what kind of condo can I get for sort of a normal price and what would those monthly payments look like? Well, get ready because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video right here. Jake Fletcher with the Fletcher Group at eXp Realty, your Miami real estate agent, and it's a pleasure to be bringing you guys this video today. And if it's an equal pleasure for you, do me a favor and go ahead and pleasure that like button for me and consider sharing this video with anybody you know who might be interested in it, because we are going to be looking at different neighborhoods and seeing what kind of condo can you get for the median sale price, which is, as of January 2023, $399,000, okay? So we're just gonna use $400,000 because it's a nice round number. It's only $1,000 away. And the reason we're using median, if you're new to my channel, I religiously harp on this, that the averages in Miami are skewed because there's properties that sell for $40 million, $50 million, I mean, you name it, they sell them, right? So when you do an average, that throws the number off. That's why you'll hear real estate agents be like, the average price in Miami is $800-something thousand. Well, that skews the information and it's, pretty disingenuous, which is why I'm here to give you guys the real data straight from the MLS. And at the end of this video, we're gonna see what do those monthly payments even look like. That way you can make a determination of should you jump into the market. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on the market as a whole as well. So definitely make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. And without any further ado, let's get tuned into the MLS here, because that's what we're looking at. Here it is, boom, shabam. We're going to look at a few different neighborhoods. Actually, we're going to look at four. I'm going to try to go through these quick. I did single family homes. Now we're doing condos and townhomes. But there's four of them that I want to show you guys here. So let's start off with Miami Beach. Why not? Okay. So we got a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And now, first and foremost, all of these listings closed in the last 60 days. So they're pretty recent and they're all closed sales. They're not active listings. So I'm not promoting anyone's listings here. I'm just giving you guys the data so you can make a decision for you and your family. Okay. Now, this particular condominium sold for $400,000. It was listed at $423,000. So like I've been saying, the deals are in the sale price, not the list price. List prices in this market right now are kind of like those yellow speed limit signs. They're like suggestions, okay? So this was a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 850 square feet, built in 1969. Nice. And let's take a look at the pictures here in a second before we, after we take a little scan of the remarks, the description down here. This is what you'd find in the description on like any of the third-party websites, because they get all of their information from the MLS. Bonus fact for you there. Cha-ching. All right. A spectacular sun-filled blah, blah, blah corner unit, large south-facing balcony, unobstructed views, spacious, freshly painted, walk-in closet, all wood floors, high-impact windows, which is very nice. Kitchen has granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, well-maintained building with low maintenance fee and assigned gated parking space. Secured entry, security cameras, recreation room, perfect place to live. I like how they wrote their description. Props to that listing agent. It wasn't too fluffy. It gave us all the information we needed. Now, let's take a look at the pictures, okay? Pretty decent pictures here. Definitely didn't use their, BlackBerry telephone from 1972 with vertical pictures. So here we got the kitchen. We can see those granite countertops. We see it's, pretty updated as far as like, the kitchen cabinets and stuff are somewhat updated there. You got the wood floors looking nice. You got the nice wide wooden boards there. Appliances look okay. It's an open concept kitchen design. Not a fan of how the bar doesn't come out. Like they got the stools, but you don't have the bar, but that's neither here nor there. Boom. So, okay, cool. Nice shot of that lamp in the middle of the picture. Pretty nice little floor plan there. You got enough room for an eating area, the open kitchen. It's good. I like it. 850 square feet for a 1-bedroom. I mean, should have pretty good space, right? And bedroom, it's looking, it's pretty updated, like look at the little, updated mirror, shower, vanity, and this matches the kitchen, which is cool, a little continuity. You can see that's an impact door there. And, we got some repeat pictures here. Oh, there we got our walk-in closet. They definitely have a color scheme they like, don't they? It's cool. I like it. This is cool. So unobstructed views, that's nice. And the fact that you have that street right there, you know they're not going to build a building in the middle of the street to ruin your view. Now, these buildings could change, of course, but, you know, you got a pretty wide field of vision there that's unobstructed. So that's a good selling point. And I would say they got a pretty good deal for $400 on the square footage alone, the 850 square feet. One thing that you do have to, you know, take into consideration, you got a laundry facility, not in-unit laundry. Now, you can maybe put in your own laundry. Who knows? You know, that's between you and the association and the physical feasibility of doing so and so on and so forth. But yeah, boom, you know, you're walking distance to the beach for $400,000. You know what I'm saying? You can't lose, right? And again, especially for the square footage, I like it. I think they did a good job. So props to them. Let's go ahead and take a look at a unit over here close to Coral Gables. Coral Gables is here. The dividing line is right here. Okay, zoom in for you guys so you can see the dividing line of Coral Gables. And basically, like, you have South Miami to the left here, right? And this is Red Road, 57th. And then basically our listing we're looking at is an unincorporated Miami-Dade. Where did it go? There it is. It's close to Coral Terrace in West Miami. So let's take a look at it. This is a little more space. You got a 2-bedroom, 3-bath. Again, sold for $400,000. A little more space, 1,025 square feet, which, you know, it's 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So you know, that says 3 baths because it totals them all together. So it's 2.5. Okay. So it was listed for $400 and it sold for $400. So they call it Gables Point, even though it's not Coral Gables. But let's take a look at the description. Great opportunity to own a 2.5 townhome located at Gables Point. Spacious inside featuring oversized living room, dining area, eat-in, kitchen, private courtyard. Ooh, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Upstairs, master suite with updated bathroom. Great closet space, convenient assigned parking. Amenities located at Gables Point include 2 pools, tennis court, racquetball, roaming security. Townhome located near the 836 and US 1s. It's essentially located. Hurry, it won't last. So let's take a look at these pictures. Okay, there's your townhome. You know, a little dark in there. Looks like it hasn't been updated in a while. You got, looks like granite countertops there. Kitchen looks like it was updated in like the early 2010s, as well as the vanities there. So it's not like original, but it's definitely not market preference, so to speak. You got your little private courtyard here, tiled in. You know, so maybe you want to put some AstroTurf down or keep the tile, you know, it's up to you, or it's up to the person who bought it, I guess, right? There's your pool. You know, they probably could have picked a better day to shoot these photos, right? But let's see. They didn't mention anything about impact windows. Let's see. Let's do a little search. See, just, oh yeah, nothing about hurricane impact windows. So probably not hurricane impact windows, but you know, you're in Coral Gables almost. You're like literally a bike ride from Coral Gables. Maybe not downtown Coral Gables, but you're really close to Coral Gables, South Miami. It's an incredible location to get into for a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath for $400,000. That's a win. Coral Gables is one of the safest, if not the safest neighborhood in Miami. It's my favorite neighborhood in Miami for whatever that's worth. So let's go ahead and look at another small over here. So Tamiami is a great area. You get a lot of bang for your buck. You're a little west, but let's check out what we got here. We got another townhome, 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, 1,550 square feet. So, you know, that's cool. Sold for $400,000, listed at $425,000, built in 1983. And let's read the description real quick. So location, man, if I had $1 for every time I read that. Remodeled, 3-bedroom, spacious bedroom, 3 full baths. One of the bedrooms located downstairs, 1,577 square feet living area. So they're kind of contradicting that. So 1,577 square feet living area, not according to tax roll, but okay. Granite kitchen countertop, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer, patio for entertainment, 2 assigned parking spaces. So that's cool. You get extra space compared to the other ones. Plenty of visitor parking. HOA is $261 a month. And, you know, it's a pretty good location because, I mean, again, you're out west, but you're not that far south, right? So, you know, let's take a look at the photos here, see what we get. So you got barrel tile roof, It looks like your parking spaces are uncovered. They're right out in front. Looks like a newer flooring there that you got, some newer lighting fixtures, somewhat updated bathroom, updated. Yeah, it's a pretty updated kitchen. I wouldn't say it's like market preference at the moment, but it was market preference, say like late 2000 teens. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's $400,000. You're not going to get it's Home Depot. You're not going to get like super luxury custom built everything at 400 grand, right? But it looks like kind of like it's an open concept galley style kitchen, right? So the galley is like it's in a straight line situation, but it's open to the living area. It looks like. So let's go ahead and see. You got the little baby pen. I presume it didn't come with the baby. Stupid dad joke. So anyways, you got your semi-open kitchen there because that's the doorway, right? So it's not like open, but it's pretty much open, for all intents and purposes. Loft style, that's cool, big spacious ceilings. I always say that's room to grow, baby. We got, looks like the kids' room there. Upstairs, pretty much somewhat updated bathroom. Nice little loft. They got the Peloton going on. Not sponsored. Walk-in closet. Another, pretty much updated bathroom. And it's looking pretty good, man. Paint those rafters white, and you got you're on your way to HGTV. Look at this giant tiled-in backyard. Me personally, I'm putting AstroTurf on that or something other than the tile because I don't really need a tiled backyard personally. But look how big that is. That's awesome. So that's the townhome. I don't know if you can take these grates off. Probably not. Maybe, probably not though. It depends on the association. But either way, that's what you get out in Tamiami at the Mediterranean Heritage subdivision. And then last but not least, the last one I want to show you guys over here in Edgewater. It's a cool property. I'm actually currently selling have a contract on a unit that's near this unit, so I'm very familiar with this little bay. So this is called Moon Bay, listed for 410, sold for 400. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 706 square feet. Okay, let's read the description here. Welcome to Moon Bay. Waterfront building, Edgewater, a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, floor-to-ceiling impact windows, stunning bay and city views, spacious layout, open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, dining living room combo, updated bathroom with marble, new washer and dryer. Amenities include the swimming pool overlooking the bay, secure entry fitness center, assigned covered parking space on the 4th floor, conveniently place yourself, blah, 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 blah. Okay, yeah, it's a good location. It's Edgewater, right? So for 706 square feet, that view's not going to change in terms of this little bay area here, right? Because right here is the shoreline. Well, eventually it's going to be the Baywalk project, which you can look into if you want. Not going to spend time talking about it, but it's a big project to basically create a promenade all up and down the coast front of Miami on the mainland. This building at some point might get knocked down, so you might lose some of that view there, but I mean, it's already blocking what's behind it now, so not going to change too much. But this view right here, you're always going to have that water there. So for 400 grand, I mean, even being a 1-1, to be on the water in Miami for 400 grand and have a view of the water that won't change, I think these people did a bang up job getting this deal. So props to that buyer and their buyer's agent. Let's check out the pictures. So a little bit of a smaller balcony, but big enough for like a little bistro table situation. Floor to ceiling windows, impact windows. I love it. You love to see it. That's beautiful. What a great situation. I'm kind of jelly of these people. And open, semi-open kitchen there. You got, it looks like, I don't know if that's real wood floors or, if it's like a laminate of some sorts, but it looks like it's in good condition. You got the stainless steel appliances. I don't really like the drastic color difference like that of the cabinets, but that's up to the buyer, you know what I mean? But anyways, it's pretty much updated. You got the granite counter. I mean, those countertops really don't match, do they? But it's there, and it's in good shape. And here's the bedroom. Boom. Kind of go through this. And you got your updated bathroom. That looks like it's fixed to the wall there. So that stays. And you got your in-unit washer and dryer, which, as you guys saw in Miami Beach, that's not always the case, so that's nice. What else do we got here? Give us something good. Yeah, look at that pool, man. Love it. It's partially covered, so that's cool. But it's also, partially not covered, so it gets, some sun. I like it. I like that pool. I want to go swimming in it, hang out on that deck, read a book, do some deals from my laptop. I'm jealous. So that looked like the pool lobby there. And then boom, that's the building, right? So what I did was I went ahead and took that last property from Edgewater, threw it into ye old mortgage calculator so that you guys could see what that looks like in terms of monthly payments, okay? So what does it look like in terms of monthly payments, Jake? Now, your monthly payment is going to be $3,450 a month for that unit, okay? But keep in mind, again, you're on the water. That water view ain't gonna change to block your view of that little bay, the moon bay, shall we? And I think that's a great deal, man. I mean, listen, if you're paying $3,450 a month in rent, or even less, whatever you're paying in rent, okay, and you have a little bit of money saved up, reach out to me and let's talk about the numbers. I'm always here to be a resource for you guys. We can talk about approximately about what you might be able to afford and decide if it's a good time for you to buy, what you should do. Me personally, I feel, now this is not, I don't have a crystal ball, but I feel like even though in the last week, since the 2nd of February, interest rates have been going straight up, I feel like they're gonna oscillate kind of back down, right? Inflation's going down. We had a good jobs report, good CPI, PPI, a lot of these metrics that the Fed uses to determine what their overnight rate is gonna be are trending in the direction that we wanna see for the overall health of the economy. If we see the 10-year rate going down, I think we're going to potentially see mortgage rates going down, is what I'm trying to say, over the next, probably around the summertime, okay? So if you're really want to wait it out and see, that's a strategy. Talk to me is definitely strategy number one, but at least start with talking to somebody like myself or your mortgage advisor, and then talk to me after you talk to the mortgage advisor and get your pre-approval, however you want to do it. But if you're paying rent, why would you not just go ahead and buy something like a little starter unit like that? If you found a place with a lower HOA, let's say you found a place with a $200, let's say $300 HOA, let's keep the rest of it the same, okay? And then boom. So if you could get around 3,000, right? Let's say you're renting, and we saw that one that was a 2-bedroom in the Coral Gables area, right? So, if you're renting a 2-bedroom, which a lot of 2-bedrooms are renting around $3,000 right now, and you're paying around that price, and you have a little bit of money saved up to potentially put a down payment, why keep renting, right? Why not go ahead and start paying something that's similar to what you're paying in rent, so you can afford it, and you're building equity, okay? It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing about real estate. You live in it for a year, you build the equity. In a year's time, history has shown that real estate tends to always appreciates in the long run. Over the next year, it'll probably appreciate some. You'll be paying into the principal, building equity in it. You can pull out a home equity line of credit and then use your equity that you've built and whatever cash you've saved in the meantime to buy your next place that's maybe a little bit nicer. Keep that one, rent it out. I can make the property management happen for you guys. I have people who do that, and you can just rinse and repeat. I have clients that do this. Every year they come to me, we buy another unit for them, and they just build their real estate portfolio. And we're not talking, rocket scientists and people making millions of dollars a year. We're talking about normal people making normal amounts of money. They're just making smart moves by getting into something that's kind of a starter like that, and then rinse and repeat every year, building equity, okay? Because you can use that rental income to help you qualify. So I think it's a no-brainer, but I'm a total real estate nerd. I am fully believe in getting into real estate as soon as you can, get your foot in the door, start building that equity, and I'm the person who can help you make that happen better than anybody else in Miami. So if you're thinking that it might be time to potentially consider buying or selling or investing, whatever it is, all of my contact info is in the description down below, and reach out to me anytime, and I'd love to help you guys out. Jake Fletcher here with the Fletcher Group at eXp Realty, your Miami real estate agent. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.